Meet the AKEZ Jaguar, an electric bike designed to deliver power and speed with a bold, aggressive stance. Experience its 1500-watt motor and advanced handling from the rider's seat, giving you control over any terrain. Built for thrill seekers, this pocket rocket is ready to dominate the streets. Are you? Your AKEZ Jaguar arrives securely packed in a durable box, ensuring safe delivery. Inside, you'll find the bike frame, wheels, battery, charger, and all the necessary tools, neatly arranged for a straightforward assembly process. Once unboxed, the AKEZ Jaguar is well padded to protect the frame and components. With the packing removed, you see everything you need to assemble your new ride: frame, wheels, battery, tools, ready to put together. First, carefully remove the fork retaining rod from the front fork to prepare for wheel installation. Next, position the front wheel into the fork, making sure to insert the brake rotor into the caliper for proper alignment. Now tighten the front wheel axle nuts securely using a 15mm wrench. Your front wheel is now in place. Using a 4mm hex wrench, remove the 4 bolts from the handlebar fixing piece to prepare for installation. Position the handlebars into place, then use a 4mm hex wrench to tighten the 4 bolts of the fixing piece securely. Make sure the handlebars are centered and aligned. Attach the LCD display to the handlebars and use a 3mm hex wrench to tighten the mounting screws securely. Make sure the screen is clearly visible from the rider's position. Now position the display controller on the handlebars and secure it using a 3mm hex wrench. Ensure it's firmly tightened for easy access during your ride. Attach the front headlight using a 12mm wrench, making sure it's securely fastened. Now, connect the 2 orange cables to power up the front headlight. Now I'm installing the pedals using the included wrench. Just make sure to tighten them securely, and remember, the left and right pedals have different threads, so be sure to install each on the correct side. Install the front fender onto the front fork using a Phillips screwdriver, making sure it's tightly secured for stable riding. Here it is, the fully assembled AKEZ Jaguar, ready to ride with its powerful lights on and sleek design. This e-bike is built for speed and style. The heart of the AKEZ Jaguar is its powerful 1500-watt motor, delivering speeds up to 28 miles per hour, controlled effortlessly by a responsive twist throttle. It's powered by a 14-volt, 18-amp-hour removable lithium battery, offering both long-range performance and easy indoor charging, with a 3-amp charger for quicker recharge times. With 5 levels of pedal assist, you can adjust power to suit your ride, perfect for both extended range and increased speed. The electrical controller is neatly tucked away, maintaining a clean design while ensuring easy access. The M5 display provides vital information including pedal assist level, battery status, odometer, voltage, and current. Power up with a key-controlled switch, adding an extra layer of security to your ride. Ride safely with a bright LED headlight and taillight, complete with integrated turn signals for clear visibility. Convenient controls include a light switch, turn signal switch, a horn, all within easy reach for safety and convenience. The dual crown front fork features hydraulic suspension, providing stability and comfort on rough terrain. An adjustable rear hydraulic coil suspension ensures smoother ride even on bumpy trails. For reliable stopping power, it has front and rear hydraulic brakes paired with 160mm disc brake rotors. The Shimano 7-speed drivetrain featuring a push-button shifter, 7-speed cassette, and Tourney TZ derailleur gives you the flexibility to handle various terrains. It rolls on 20-inch by 4-inch Chaoyang Sandstorm fat tires, mounted on Dinghu black spoked wheels, delivering excellent traction and durability. The lightweight aluminum alloy frame provides strength and durability for long rides across all terrains. The Jaguar comes with a comfortable seat, designed for longer rides and better support. Equipped with front and rear fenders, the Jaguar keeps you protected from splashes during wet rides. The sturdy kickstand ensures stable parking no matter where you stop.
Well, today we're out here on the AKEZ Jaguar 1500 watt moped style e-bike. It's interesting. It's got a key that actually is used to turn it on and also a key that locks the battery. But without the key in, bike will not run. So it's almost like a motorcycle. Turn the key on, press the mode button for 3 seconds. You get the display on. The display shows your energy usage at the top, your battery level. It shows your speed, pedal assist level, your odometer. You can also cycle it through to do trip, look at your voltage, your current, and so. The Jaguar also comes equipped with an electric light and a tail light, including turn signals left and right, and a horn. So, put in pedal assist level 1, we'll go ahead and take off with the throttle. Well, I'll go ahead and show you that I can pedal this bike, but it's a little tough at my height. I'm 5'9". Now for somebody about 5'2", this would be great because this will handle riders from 5'2" to 6'5", it says. A 6'5" rider might have a little trouble with this. Pedal assist level 1's taking me up to around 11 miles an hour. I'm going to bump it up to pedal assist level, well, around 10. I'm going to bump it up to pedal assist level 2. Speedometer on the Jaguar is showing 18.8. My GPS is showing 16. So we'll see how it does taking off from a stop. Beautiful day here. Go ahead and take off from a stop. Has pretty good pull. Speed 2 takes you up to about 16. Pedal assist level 2 takes you up to 16. Let's take it up to pedal assist level 3. Gets me up to around 21. 22. This has a 1500 watt brushless motor, so it's got plenty of power. Nice yellow aluminum frame. Now this has front and rear hydraulic brakes, which are very nice. Nice and quiet. Taking off at 3, quickly goes up to around 18 miles per hour, 20 miles per hour, 21. Pedal assist level 4 kicks it up to around 25. Pedal assist level 5 gets me up to right around 28 miles per hour, which is the stated maximum speed for the Jaguar. Now the previous AKEZ model that I tested was more of a dirt bike design. It had a knobby type tire. These have 20 by 4-inch fat tires, but they have much more of a street type tread on them. Now it's got front and rear hydraulic suspension. The ride's good. It's a good solid bike. I've never had a problem with any of the AKEZ bikes. They always seem to perform very well. And it cruises right around at 28. Now it has an aluminum alloy frame. The bike weighs in at 83 pounds. It'll carry a rider up to 330 pounds. It's got a 48 volt, 18 amp hour battery. It'll do 32 miles on just throttle and up to 45 on pedal assist. The throttle's fairly responsive, has a little bit of a lag, but not much. So yeah, going downhill, I am able to hit speeds above 34. I'm just coasting right now. It has a front LED headlight. It's got a rear LED tail light. Has LED turn signals built in. Real easy to ride. I think this would be a fun bike for kids. The riding position is really forward, like a mountain bike. The handlebars up front are pretty flat. So you're in a leaned over position. It has back foot pegs for a rear rider, or if you wanted to lean forward, put your own feet on the pegs. I love the crown fork. Nice and stable. The 1500 watt motor has plenty of power. I think the looks are good. It comes in yellow, black, red, blue. If you're in Southern California, AKEZ has a warehouse in El Monte, and if you pick it up directly at their warehouse, you could save $150. This is a fun toy. You can rip around really well on it. Okay, let's see how it does on a hill test, just on throttle alone. I'm sure it'll do very well. 1500 watt motor's nice and strong. Here we go. Well, it's climbing easily. We're already up to 18 miles per hour. It has more than adequate power. This is a real fun toy. AKEZ makes a good product. So I got it up to about 34 miles per hour. Now we're at 32. It's solid, feels good. So I've had the AKEZ S1 moped style e-bike for over a year. I've never had any problems with it. It's been a good bike for me. Now AKEZ also makes a 52 volt version of this bike that will go up to 65 miles on a charge and will go up to 33 miles per hour. So the AKEZ Jaguar comes in at $1,299. A link to it is listed down below. That's a pretty good buy compared to many of the competitors that are over $2,000 for a bike with a 1500 watt motor and hydraulic brakes on a good aluminum frame with a really nice comfortable saddle, front and rear front suspension, 20 by 4 inch fat tire wheels, 48 volt battery with an 18 amp hour life. I think it's a ton of fun, and I'd recommend it to anybody who just wants to have fun. It's fast, it's peppy, it's a blast. If you've enjoyed this review or learned anything about the AKEZ Jaguar 1500 watt e-bike, please hit the like button and consider subscribing for future reviews. We really appreciate your support.